Hello everyone, we are Group 4 and the team members of our teams are Kailin, Jiangxin, Wang, and Rongchang. As for the dataset we choose for our project 3 is the lightning in models dataset. And our main topic in this project is what is behind the cell divergence. So, as documented in previous research, proper cell balancing is necessary in battery packs. Thus, in this study, we're going to explore the factors that related to the cell divergence. As such, we hope to be able to find the battery failure in an early status. In details, we're going to first investigate the indicators that are highly associated to the cell divergence, and then next we would like to build some correlation matrix to explore how the factors may document the battery conditions, and last we would like to explore the factors that may predict the cell divergence in an early timing. So how do we collect the information we want? We would like to use the Hadoop file system as our data warehouse, and next we would like to do a pre-processing to clean the data, and then use the Apache Spark as our data analytics engines because it is a very efficient data analytics tools when it comes to streaming data. So what are we going to analyze exactly? First, we want to check the correlations between cell divergence and the battery energy to see if whether the cell divergence is highly associated with the battery energy, to see if our data is aligned with the previous findings, which is that cell divergence is the main common cause of the battery failures. And next, we also want to do the correlations between cell divergence and the temperatures, total meters of lifetime battery state of charge, and also some other environmental factors to see if they have some kind of relationships statistically. And if they do, next we would like to do some exploratory regression analysis on those factors, and so that we can check whether those factors could be predictors of the cell divergence. As many literatures shows that the cell temperatures, total meters of lifetime battery charging status could somehow affect our cell divergence status. To be more clear about the relationships of those factors, we have a diagram to show our hypothesis about those relationships. The first hypothesis is that we think the cell divergence is the indicator of the battery energies, as you can see the double arrows. And next, we want to check whether these three factors, the temperature, the vehicle meter lifetime, and the battery state of charge, is correlated with the cell divergence. And after the regression analysis, we can check whether those three factors could be the predictors of the cell divergence. And last, we want to check if the regression effects from the three predictors can be varied due to the temperature and the locations of the vehicle. In other words, the regression results might somehow be moderated by the two factors. And that's all about the report of our project 3 phase 2, and thanks for listening.